Alright guys, you guessed it, we are doing the Battle of Iwo Jima. So, I want to let you guys know that I'll be doing these videos every Sunday around 10 a.m. I'll be posting them Pacific Standard Time. And I'm going for around 15 to 20 episodes of this. Not too sure how many it's going to be, but that's kind of my main goal. The Battle of Moscow, which you can click in the top right. And that was around, I think it was 15 episodes total. So maybe we can make this 5 more episodes longer, and that'd be really cool. So, like I said, not too much I can do in the first video but announce the actual mock. So I'll be working on this, and hopefully the second episode in a week from today, you'll see a lot of progress. And I'm trying to make these videos really cool, so feel free to leave me any comments or suggestions in the comment section, and I will see you guys next time. Have a great day.